intro now available on iTunes and Google Play. YouTube, listen up, man. I got bad news after bad news after bad news after bad news after bad news. It's not really too bad, but it's bad news nevertheless. The governor basically shut everything down again. California shut down all the barbershops, salons, just pretty much all the gyms. Everything is shut down again. So we're back at it again. Quarantine part 2. I had to cancel all my appointments Tuesday, and man, that really hurt me because I really had I was looking forward to this waiver coming in. I really wanted to cut her hair because she had a shag in the back, and I was like, and the waves went into the shag. You know what I mean? Second bad news. I'm headed to the shop right now to Scalp. I'm going to Scalp. And notice the crack in my voice when I said that. I'm scalping today. Yeah, I'm headed to the shop right now to cut all my waves off. Okay, I'm scalping today. And see, the thing is, the reason why I'm scalping is, for one, we're on quarantine, so it's the perfect time to scalp. For two, I want to switch up my pattern, but then I don't really know if I want to come back. You guys are probably thinking that it's a joke, but it's not really a joke. I had put this post on Instagram, this poll on Instagram, basically telling everybody, should I scalp or should I not? And majority of the people were saying, it was kind of 50-50 though. At the end of the day, it wasn't like this huge number telling me to scalp, but I just felt like, I don't know, I want to switch it up. I want to do something different. But at the same time, I'm older now, and scalping is like, I don't know if I could come back from this. I honestly don't know if I could come back from this, but I feel like either way, regardless if I come back or not, this is about to be something epic right now, all right? Because my scalp is gonna have waves, all right? Is this the end of 360 Jeezy? You guys are about to witness something epic right now, all right? The first time ever that I'm this big in the wave game. Could I possibly end my career here? This big on YouTube, just this big, period. And I scalp. I mean, the question is, really, would they still love me though? The question is, would I still be 360 without the 360s on top? Or is this the last of 360 Jeezy? I don't really know if I want to come back to waving anymore. See, these are the questions that I have going forward. To be continued. Oh, that was wrong. Hold on. Oh, my bad. Hold on. Wait a minute. There we go. Y'all think I'm playing though? I'm so serious. Like, y'all think I'm doing this for just straight show, or, you know what I mean? Y'all think, oh, he not really finna do it. Trust me. Just wait and see. Alright, you guys, I dyed my hair back black. And yeah, here we go. God dang, this hurts. This hurts, you guys. We're not wasting no time, just dive right in. Scalp is a scalp. God damn. snap. Oh, snap. I actually really did it. Golly. I'm debating on going lower. Oh, snap. I never felt my hair this low before at all. I don't want to go this low. I don't want to just like, I don't want to go this low. I didn't want to go this low. But listen, I don't want to cut off my hair. I don't want to cut off my hair too much more than this, but I might. I have to. I have to go completely bald because my waves is still in there. The pattern, everything is still in there. My pattern is still in there, so I am definitely gonna have to go completely bald on this one. I've been having this set of waves for way too long. Golly, I actually did it. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. God. Golly. Some of you guys are loving this right now. Some of you guys right now are like, yes, he finally, dang, I can't believe it. Some of you haters out there are loving this right now. But don't worry. Don't worry. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did this. I'm telling you, I got waves in my scalp. Oh snap, bald head Jeezy. Oh, I can feel the breeze right now. This is crazy. I got waves in my scalp. You can still see the waves though. God, my head is so ugly. Oh my goodness. That's it, man. That's basically it. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I ain't gonna shave it. So here's my plan. Here's my plan. If I can't get my waves back, it's just a wrap. All right, today is just a wrap. Golly, it's just a wrap. It's completely a wrap, y'all. It's a wrap. I just can't believe that I did this. Half of y'all gonna say it's fake. After seeing this, half of y'all gonna think it's fake. But nah, I really did this. I really did this. I don't know. Until next time. Peace. All right, you guys, listen, pull up at the house. I'm pulling up at the house right now. Let's see how my daughter and my son react to what I just did, all right? Let's go. Oh, snap, I didn't even turn the car off. All right.
Why did you do?
Babe.
Your sex life gonna plummet. You
Babe, come on.
It's gonna get worse.
Babe, look at me.
No!
Come on.
Hey, I'm not playing with you. If you do not, just go.
Man.
Go.
It's like that?
It's like that. Don't even show me. You better put a damn do-rag on.
Dang. Guys. Oh, snap. I do look crazy, though. What did I do? Because I scalped. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Yeah. My scalp has waves, though. I'm out. Peace.